Hey everybody, welcome to Primal Joe, and I'm out on a nature walk in the mountains of North Carolina, and man, I can't express how good this feels to be out here amongst the trees and nature, and just the energy around here is just amazing. And I can automatically feel all the external noise in my head going away when I'm out here. And even though I practice as much as I can back home and being out in nature, it's really a bit different being up here. And I will say that I'm quite envious for those that live up here in the mountains, because it's so beautiful. But my point is that wherever you are, whether you're stuck in the city or whether you are even live in a suburban community, get outdoors as much as you can. It's such a great natural therapy, and as far as I can see, it's 100% free, unless you go into some park where you have to pay a fee. But otherwise, the benefits are just exponential. Get outside, get in touch with nature more often, and once you do, you'll realize how good you feel afterwards. Anyways, that's it for now. I'll be taking a few of these nature walks, and I'll be in touch with everybody. Take care.